Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. This is my home. It's the morning time. Right now, it's raining outside. I just dropped my daughter off at school. The hair is puffy. It's okay though, because this is a cleaning video. I'm not trying to be cute, okay? In my videos, I do things pertaining to home life, home management. So I do like decorating, I do DIYs, painting, projects, repairs, cleaning, cooking, that sort of thing. So if you are new, welcome. And if that's the type of content that you like, please do not forget to hit subscribe and also show that like button some love. The like button really does help my channel. Today I'm in my bathroom. I don't know why, like the past 3 videos I've started out in my bathroom, but I have some things that I would like to show you. It's time to like take some Christmas stuff down and just like start off with a clean slate, right? So your girl went to the store and I decided to change up a lot of things in my living room. Normally my pop of color is blue, so let me show you what it is that we're working with now. Here is my pop of color for this year. I'm really excited about it. I never ever thought that I would do anything green because green is not like a favorite color of mine or anything like that. Purple is, but this is really pretty. I'm gonna make some pillows and then I'm also gonna refurbish one of my ottomans. At this point, I'm sure you're wondering, okay, so why are you in your bathroom? Well, I want it to be clean, I want it to feel good, and I wanna start making my pillows. I'm gonna rinse out this bathtub and give these items a good clean. In today's video, I will be doing some speed cleaning and showing you guys some of the things that I'm gonna work on in order to decorate my home for 2023. It's all about that budget shopping without breaking the bank. I'm on a budget. I don't know about you. Here is a close-up. You see all them floaties in the water? Look at that. That is all from being at the warehouse and it getting cut. It's so disgusting. The water is tinted. When you buy materials, just make sure that you clean them off because look how dirty this water is. I did put the stuff in the dryer. I just forgot to hit record, which is, you know, rookie mistake. I'm gonna get my bathtub cleaned out now. This is just plain vinegar. Happy 2023, everyone. How was your new year? What did you do? Who did you hang out with? What did you eat? Because you know Kim likes to eat and I need to know, okay? The next thing on my agenda is to do my, I need to make my bed up. I need to take the sheets off and make it up. Listen, I gotta put this up because it's just like a lot. I totally forgot that I had clothes that were in the dryer that I took out and put on the bed. So I'm gonna fold those first and then I'm gonna make my bed. Take the sheets off, put new sheets on and all that great stuff. So here we go. I was really excited when I realized the only thing that I really needed to fold up were the towels and washcloths because the clothes didn't even belong to me. How about that? I want to show you what I picked up from Hobby Lobby along with the material that I have. Un momento. I know you probably think this is weird, but you got to feel my vision, okay? You got to feel my vision. It is not going to be this color because you know Kim is the queen of spray painting or painting. So I decided that I wanted to get this and paint it. The paint's inside. Let me show you the color of the paint. So not like me, but I'm going to just step out on faith and pray that it works. I'm sure it will. This is a pretty color. It's like an olive green. This was actually like $1.29 for 2 of them. They're 2 floor ounces. I have 2 of them. $1.29. And I'm thinking about spray painting this black first and then painting it green and maybe adding a little bit of baking soda. Let me know what you think below in the comments. Anyway, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna start making breakfast. What you know about microwave bacon? Leave a comment down below. I always take that white thing out of the egg. It looks like snot. Here's my breakfast. I have bacon, eggs, and raisin cinnamon toast. So I have a testimony for you guys. Okay, obviously I know that you have to work hard for the things that you want in life. My mom always told me nobody's going to give you anything, so you better go out there and hustle and do what you got to do, which is what I have always done. So with this YouTube thing, it's kind of a struggle because I envisioned it to be different than what it actually is. And so there have been a few times where I was thinking, you know what, I'm just going to stop. I'm just going to quit, whatever. But then I got a message from a young lady. I'm not going to say her name because I didn't ask her permission. Anyway, she was telling me that she enjoyed my videos and that she felt like I was on to something. In that, she also encouraged me. When I first started this channel, I told my parents, if I could just help one person. Well, that message really did me in that day, okay? I knew that I was doing something right, and I knew it was my job and my duty to continue. I'm going to take down the tree, and then I'm going to dust. It's very dusty in here. By the way, when you take down your Christmas tree, you should have gloves and long sleeves because those branches cut you like really bad. It's not very comfortable, and it makes you itch. Do you want to itch? Because I don't. After that, I read a quote that said, if you stop, you'll lose everything. So just keep going. Let me just tell you that God comes on time when you need him, and that's on period. He will send anyone to give you a message, and I definitely needed that message that day, so thank you.
You've always felt like a part of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool? It's time to open your eyes and let go.
Y'all see this face? This tree acted like it had beef. It did not want to be taken down. I am so sweaty, okay? So sweaty. But this is real life, and I just wanted to show you. Your girl is struggling, okay? Somebody send help. Like, for real.
Reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else that need your trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go? Sick and tired of seeing you in pain. Your head's in a haze. Won't you lean on me? I'll catch you if you fall. So take a leap of faith. Your fixed ideas clouding up your mind. Don't stop until common sense applies. The sun illuminates ahead. Need you to let go. Side while you tumble way below the waves. Undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to calm waters. Just give me your word. Oh, we gotta let go.
We are starting with a clean slate, ladies and gentlemen. So I just don't know what is going to happen over here. I kind of like the rocking chair in this corner versus that corner, but it really, really looks bare. And I'm the type of person, I don't like a lot of stuff. So I got to figure out what's going to happen. First, I'm going to put a little bit of paint on there to see if it sticks. And if it doesn't, then I am going to spray paint it and then paint the green on it. Yeah, we definitely need to spray paint it first.
Let go. Let go.
Here is another quote for you. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is to always try one more time. So don't give up. You got this. I'm going to wait for this to dry and then do another coat. Okay. I needed to take a break. So the couch is kind of like my place to be. It's very comfortable. Anyway, I have to refurbish this little ottoman that I have, and I probably won't get to making the pillows in this video. So look out for that in the next video. And maybe get this painting finished, hopefully. If not, look for that in the next video. But thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit the like button. It helps my channel. And subscribe, join my YouTube family. Here we do lots of positivity. I'm gonna be your cheerleader. You're gonna be my cheerleader. We're gonna support each other. It's all about kindness. You know, this world really needs it, that's for sure. This is what I'm refurbishing. And I decided to go with the darker olive. And I think that will look really nice with the legs. Thank you so much again for being here. I just wanted to do a little bit of speed cleaning in this video and work on some projects that I have going on for 2023. You'll have to let me know what you have going on. Are you changing things up? Are you going with a new color? Let me know. I'm really interested. I'm attempting to make pleats. Let's see how it goes. So here is the final outcome. I'm really loving this over here. I have to do a few more tweaks, but my ripples came into full effect. I know it's really hard to tell in the camera, but anyway, it looks really good. I'm very satisfied. I hope everyone is in a good mental space. I hope that if you're not, you're saying your affirmations and you're giving yourself grace and loving on yourself, because in 2023, we need to learn how to love ourselves. We need to learn how to talk nice to ourselves as we do to others. Okay, so this was another coat that I put on. I'm probably gonna do one more, but obviously this needs to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Here is my dinner. I hope you all have an amazing week. Bye, guys.